Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make gorgeous brooches from the simple tools and materials. I will use half bead, different shapes and different colors. See how it look like on the ornament over here and in the center. It might be also as a cameo. Over here on the red ornament, it's also simple ornament but nice brooch. Also made it from half bead and with a chain, like a rhinestone chain around it. For the work I will use half crystals, half beads and cameos with a simple soft surface. Whatever you can find on any website. I bought them from AliExpress. Cameos as well. Some beads are made from plastic, some beads made from acrylic. Again, make your fantasy and dreams come true. Use whatever you want. Also, I need to use something as a base. I will use felt. It has to be neither firm or nor soft, like a medium supposed to be. See, it's supposed to move well. Another material is rhinestone chain. See, I have different colors. And as a glue, I will use this one, B7000, or another one, E6000. Also very good to do that. Just as a note, on the second one, see, it's a large nozzle and it might be not so comfortable to work with, but this one, B7000, is so nice because it's so thin and it will be just enough glue to work with the jewelry. It was made special to work with. Also, we will need scissors to work with rhinestone chains. I only work for this one. And we need a lighter. It might be kitchen one or any what you have. Okay, and we will start. Today I will make this blue half crystal brooch and pink cameos. I prepared felt with the similar colors. Okay, attach crystal, spread the glue just a bit, not too much, otherwise it will be so hard to clean it from the face side of the crystal. And your hands has to be clean as well. Just press a little bit to attach the crystal on top of the felt. And the same thing we will do with the cameos. Spread a bit of glue and attach it. Try to avoid a couple centimeters from both borders. We will use this space for the rhinestone chains. I leave that to glue a bit dry, to get it a little dry. Now I can cut these pieces a little bit bigger than I really need, just to be comfortable, to work comfortable with these pieces. Now we can choose rhinestone chains. What will be so nice to make a shape of that. And over here I will try with the gold ones and with light blue. I didn't have dark blue, but I think light blue it will also look good. I would say it's even turquoise color, but in the end it will look very nice. I put all around a bit of glue. Not too much, but still enough to glue the chains. Felt will absorb a lot of it, but still try not to use a lot, just enough. And work with the chain all around. Just attach and using your fingers softly press around this bit. See, when you have it will be enough, you can cut it. Try to cut that it will be enough. If you spread the chain, you do it for for all distance. And now using the tweezer or scissors, just make sure everywhere is the same distance between all the chains, between all the crystals. You have the same distance. After that, I apply light blue or turquoise color of the chain and take a look once more. Do I like it? Is it good enough? Yes, I do. And apply another piece of glue, another line of glue. This time I also try to put a bit of glue on the side of the first row of the chains, and then when two rows will be attached, it will be firm and nice and hard. Spread the chain, attach it, try to work as soft as possible, and cut when you see it will be enough length, and attach it. Ready? Try to attach both sides nice and firm, that you won't see any difference. See how it look like with no chains and without with it. It's gorgeous. Let it dry for a bit, and now you can attach the same way on top of pink ones. Over here I will use silver chain, and over here I will show you another way how to make it. First, try it on and cut the chains, and then spread the glue and attach the chain. It's up to you, it's totally up to you. Just try both ways and you will see which one is more convenient and comfortable for you. Okay, spread, make some corrections, and soft touches. Okay, and over here I will see what we did. I made a mistake. I didn't have enough chains, and now I'm missing, I think, one crystal. Okay, and I will show you how to make corrections in this way. Cut one or two pieces, apply the glue, make sure you apply for all sides, like for beginning and to the end, like it's large amount of the glue. Then insert this part, move with your fingers or with tweezers, and all done. Now it will be nice and clean. And make another row of chains. See how I did over here on this ornament? I did 2 rows around the cameo. Okay, over here I used 3 rows of chains. On this one I used just 2. It's totally up to you and up to your fantasy. You can attach half beads like a separate one or half beads on a chain. It like you can find on the market lots of things, and just work with the glue around it. It will be nice and beautiful. And make another row of chains. Make sure when you press the chain, all the crystals look up. They are not twisting. That is very important. If you put them on a side, everything has to be on a side. But in this case, I put them all on top. They has to face up. And cut needed lengths and attach and press, firmly press. Okay, second row is complete and it's ready. And now if you want, you can try with the third row. Just attach and look if you like it or no. You can try different shape of the chains of the crystals or different colors. See, here is a gold one. Attach and look. Or it might be absolutely different color, like a contrast. Over here I have a red. See, it also look nice. It depends what you're doing and why you need it, large or small. I decided it will be enough with the same colors, and I think the third row I won't do it. No, it will be enough. I will leave this way. While I was working on a pink brush, my blue brush is ready. It's not dried completely, but it is dry enough to go further. And now I can cut this felt. Try to cut leaving 1 millimeter from the end. Do not cut it under the beads. Leave a bit of base and make some corrections with the scissors. See, it's nice. The end it has to be nice and firm. Now take a lighter and go around it slowly, melting the edge just a bit because it's artificial felt, and the edge, if you can see, it will be a bit darker and you will look nice and firm edge. And continue the same way on a pink. Also try to work very accurate, and when it will be on a bow or and on ornament and side will be noticeable, you will see that your edge will be nice and accurate. Pink brush is not ready. See, it's coming to my fingers. You might need to wait 10-15 minutes, and then also using the lighter, go around carefully, not hurry. See, you can see the color of the edge. It's a bit darker of pink color. I can say they are ready. Beautiful brooches are ready. See what we had in the beginning and how nice brooches look in the end. Thank you. Bye bye.